Hello students, hope all of you are well. So today we are doing SAT paper 1 from College Board, and we will be discussing the calculator section, that is question number 21 to 38. Okay, let's start. So this is question number 21. Let us proceed further. Dreams recalled during 1 week. Group X and Group Y, there are two groups and this table is given. Whenever question like this come, no need to read the whole group. Okay, just read the question below. He says that the data in the table above were produced by sleep research studying this blah blah blah. Then Group X consisted of 100 people who observed early bedtimes, and Group Y consisted of 100 people who observed later bedtimes. If a person is chosen at random, now this is important, if a person is chosen at random from those who recalled at least one dream means these two, right? That means the denominator should be of 139 and 125, that is, it should be 164. What is the probability that the person belonged to Group Y? Now Group Y has these two, that is 11 plus 68, so that should be 79 over 164. It means C is the right answer. Next, question number 22. See, again we are given a big table. Don't get confused whenever you get a big table. Just see that this is about the annual budget in thousands of dollars for 6 different states in Kansas from 2007 to 2010. Okay, now which of the following best approximates the average rate of change? Whenever there is average rate, it means they are talking about the slope. And in the annual budget for agriculture and natural resources, agriculture is natural resources means they are talking about this group. From 2008 to 2010 means they are talking about these two figures. It means we can write these 2 points as 2008, 358, 708, and 2010, 488, 106. So just apply the slope formula. It is difference between the y coordinates divided by the difference between the x coordinates. So when I do that, what I will write? I will write 488, 106. I'm using my calculator right now. Minus 358, 708. So the difference is 129, 398. And divided by x2 minus x1, that is 2010 minus 2008, that is divided by 2. And when I divide this by 2, I get 649, that is around, and it is in millions, so around 65,000 or 65 millions per year. So this is the answer. I will go with option number B. Next, question number 23. Of the following, which program ratio of its 2007 budget to 2010 budget is closest to the human resource program ratio to So human resource program, where is human resource program? This is human resource program. First of all, let me rub these things. Now human resource program is this one, and the budget ratio, this to this is how much? You will just find it out. It is using the calculator. It is 4051050 divided by 5921379. You get 0.68. So here the ratio is 0.684. Then let us start with agriculture natural resources. Agriculture natural resources is 37. We will take these two. We'll take these two. 373,904 divided by 488, 106. So that should be 0.766. So this is not equivalent, so we will rule out this. Next is education, 2164. Now we will take the ratio of this and this. 2164607, then divided by 3008,036. Here we get 0.71. And when we take highway and transportation is 1468482 divided by 1773893. So that is 0.82. So this is also ruled out because it is very far away from this. Still, now we have got only education which is near to it. Let us go to public safety. 463 divided by 464233. This is 0.56. This is much below this. So we will go with education, which is the right answer. Let us go to question number 24. Which of the following is the equation of the circle with center 0, 0 and radius with the endpoint this? See, first of all, we should know the equation of the circle. It is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Here the center is h comma k, which is 0, 4 over here. So it should be x minus 0 whole square, that is x square, and plus y minus 4 whole square equals to radius square. So whatever radius will come, it should be in square, right? So first of all, we observe that we have A or C as the answers. B and D will be cancelled out because we have a positive here. So this will be ruled out. Now we will see that where we are having r square, see in A we are having r square, so this will be the answer. This is again ruled out because here we are not having the square thing, right? Or you can find the radius and then take the square by using distance formula. That is also correct. Next, go to question number 25. We have height equals to minus 4.9t square plus 25t. And he's passing after approximately how many seconds did the ball hit the ground? Means when it hits the ground, height should be 0. So 0 equals to minus 4.9t square plus 25t, and we get t common. You get minus 4.9t plus 25 equal to 0. So either t equal to 0, that is the starting point, or t is equal to 25 by 4.9. So that will be, say, approximately 5. So 5 is the answer because there is no option as 0. Then question number 26. We are going to this part. Let me rub this. Yes, now changing the color. Katrina is a botanist studying the production of pears by 2 types of pear trees. She noticed that type A produces 20% more than type B. Based on Katrina's observation, type A trees are 144. How many are of type B? Let it be x. Now this should be 1.2x equals to 144 because A is 20% more. 20% more means 120%, which means 1.2. So x will be 144 divided by 1.2. It should give you 120. That is the answer. So we will go with option number B. Next question. A square field measures 10 by 10 meters. 10 students each marked of randomly selected region. Each region is a square of side 1 meter, length 1 meter. It means that we have 100 squares, of which 10 are given. So which of the following is the reasonable approximation of the number of earthworms to the depth of 5 centimeters beneath the ground in the entire field? They're talking about the entire field, and only 10 squares are given. It means we have to add them and then multiply it by 10 to get that of 100. Let us add 107 plus 147 plus 146 plus 135 plus 141 plus 150 plus 154 plus 176 and plus 166. So you are getting around 1500. So So then multiplying by 10 will give you 15,000. This is the correct answer. Let us go to question number 28. Now in question number 28, they are asking you, if the system of inequalities is graphed, which quadrant contains no solution to the system? There are two ways of doing it. Either you draw using graph. Let us take a graph. I am having this graph. Let us see. This is a Desmos graph. What I can do, I can simply draw them. See, y is greater than or equals to 2x x plus 1. And the second one is y is greater than, only greater than half of x, so 0.5 x and minus 1. So which is not having any solution? See here, the solution will be, if you observe the solution carefully, it will be that part where we have common thing. Where is we are having common thing? See, over here we are having the common thing. See these sections. We observe that section 4 having nothing in common, so that should be the answer. It means answer is section number 4. Let us go to the paper. Yes. So which quadrant has no solution? Quadrant 4 has no solution. I've just drawn the graph. Right? Next is question number 29. Yes. For a polynomial px, the value p3 is equals to minus 3. What is p3? P3 means when you divide a given polynomial by x minus 3, remainder is p of 3. Dividing by x minus 3, remainder r comes out to be p3, which is coming out to be minus 2. So the answer will be this one. The remainder when px is divided by x minus 3 minus 2. Recall remainder theorem. In my next videos or in my previous videos, you can easily find them. What is a remainder theorem? Next question number 30. Which are the following is equivalent to the graph equation of the graph in equation above? Which coordinate of the vertex a can be identified as constants in the equation? See, we have the vertex form as y is equals to a times of x minus h whole square plus k, and here the vertex is h comma k. So when you observe carefully, this is the vertex form and the vertex is 1 comma minus 16. See here, it is 1 comma minus 16, right? So option number D is the correct answer. Let us go to the grading section now. See the grading section where you have to solve the question and then write down the answer. So here we have the grading question number 31. What can husk at least 12 dozen ears of corn per hour, and at most 12 dozens, means between 12 to 18 per hour. He has to do 72 dozens. So what you will show, the maximum time will be 6 hours. This is the max time, and the minimum time should be 72 by 18, 4 hours. So any answer between 4 to 18, anything, 4 to 6, sorry, you can write 4.5, you can write even 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, anything. All are correct answers. You can write anything from 4 to 6. This is the answer. The posted weight limit for a covered wooden bridge is 6,000 pounds. A delivery truck that is carrying X identical boxes, each weighing 14 pounds, will pass over the bridge. Combined weight of the empty trailer truck and its driver is 4,500, and plus 14x should be less than or equal to 6,000 pounds. Right? So what's the maximum possible? Well, of x that will keep the combined weight. So here we have 14x should be less than or equal to 1500. So x should be less than or equal to 1500 by 14. Dividing 1500 by 14, I should get around, let me check, 1500 divided by 14. 107, so less than 107.14. Therefore, the combined weight x, maximum possible values of x should be 107. You can write 107. Next, 33. Here he is saying the line graph at fraction of the number of sold 2011. 2008 is 100 and 2008 is 160. So 160, 100 over 160, that is 10 over 16, which is 5 over 8. This is the answer. Going to question number 34. A local television station has time slots in 30 minutes interval. It means in 1 hour, it's giving 2 slots. So in 24 hours, it will be giving 48 slots. So in 2 days times, Tuesday and Wednesday, that is in 48 hours, it will be giving twice of 48, that is 96 slots. That is the answer. 96 is the answer. A dairy farmer uses a storage silo that is the shape of a right circle cylinder above. If the volume of the silo is 72 pi, it means what's the diameter? Let us take the radius as r. Then pi r square h should be equal to 72 pi. Pi and pi cancels out. R square times 8 equals to 72. Means r square is 9. It means r equals to 3. Therefore, he is asking about the diameter. Will be twice of radius, that is 6. So the answer is 6. Next question, question number 36. What is the value of x for which the function is undefined? For function to be undefined, denominator should be equal to 0. It means let us put x minus 5 equals to p. It means p square plus 4p plus 4 equals to 0. So p plus 2 whole square equals to 0 implies p equals to minus 2. That is x minus 5 equals to minus 2. It implies x should be equals to 5 minus 2, that is 3. We just added 5 on both sides of the last equation and we get x equals to 3, right? So now we are left with 2 questions, question number 37 and 38. Jessica opened a bank account that earns 2% compounded annually. Her initial deposit was $100. What is the value of x? Value of x will be 2% increase, that is 102 by 100, that is 1.02. So this is the answer. And the last question of today's session, let me rub this one so that I have some space to do it. Jessica friends Tushan found an account that earns 2.5%. Tushan made an initial deposit of $100 into this account. At the same time, Jessica made $100 into the account. After 10 years, how much more money will Sean's initial deposit have? So that will be 1.025, right? And into 100 raised to power 10 minus 100 times of 1.02 raised to power 10. It means we will simply calculate this now. So let us open our calculator. Calculator says 1.025 and raised to power 10 times 100 gives you 128.0084 and minus and times 100, it is 1.8994, and when I subtracted it, let me check. When I subtracted this, I got 6.1089. That means it will be 6.11 if we round it off to the 2 decimal places. So this is the answer. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do like it, share it and subscribe it. Bye-bye.